Okay, so I want to share with you Cecilia's story. Guys, Cecilia has made 2.4 million rand in 1 year doing digital marketing. And the reason I want to share her story is because she is exactly like you and I just want to show you how incredibly possible it is for anyone who is wanting to start digital marketing and sell digital products online. Guys, it is so simple and it is absolutely possible for anyone. So first off, Cecilia is a small town South African mum who had her own business, and the reason she had her own business was because she wanted to be able to spend time with her daughter. The problem was that she was still having to work late hours in order to make enough money for them to survive, to a point where she would find her daughter sleeping on the couch waiting for some attention and time to spend with her mum. And this is so relatable because how many of us are having to work extra hours or longer hours just so we have enough money to put a plate of food on the table for us and our children. So when Cecilia saw that you could have a online business that was a proven process and that you could earn dollars as a South African, she jumped at it to a point where she literally purchased her program and she had 7 rand left in her bank account. She literally plugged in and learned from a step-by-step process on exactly how to have an online business and build it from zero to her now 2.4 million rand in under a year. And guys, the beauty of this is that she literally had very little time. She was squeezing her 2-hour workday in between clients and wherever she got a gap. And she did it because she wanted to be able to spend time with her daughter. She wanted to be able to do what she does now, is fetch her daughter from school and go and walk on the beach in Jeffreys Bay. She literally flipped her zip code all by doing digital marketing and all by following a proven process. My friend, if Cecilia can do it, we can do it. So if you want to learn the exact process that Cecilia took to make 2.4 million rand in 1 year, then comment yes, because I would absolutely love to share this with you.